Have you ever baked a cake and it came out as hard as stone? Or cookies that spread so much they become one giant cookie? Don't worry, we've all been there. But today, I'm here to save you from all that. I'm sharing the most common baking mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Trust me, this video will save your cakes, your cookies, and your confidence in the kitchen. Mistake number one, not reading the recipe all the way through. I know you are excited to get started, but baking isn't the place for surprises. Imagine halfway through your recipe, you realize your butter needed to be soft, but it's rock hard from the fridge, or you are out of eggs. How do you fix this? Always read the recipe from start to finish before you start. Check your ingredients and tools. It takes 2 minutes and saves so much stress. Mistake number two, wrong measurements. Baking is science. A little too much flour or sugar and your whole cake can flop. Spoon your flour into your measuring cup and level it off with a knife. Don't scoop straight from the bag. It packs too much flour and makes cake dry. And this is a pro tip. If you can, use a kitchen scale. It's the most accurate way to measure. Mistake number three, overmixing or undermixing your batter. Overmixing builds too much gluten. That means tough, rubbery cakes and it won't come out yummy. On the other hand, undermixing leaves pockets of flour and uneven texture. And how do you fix this? You mix until the ingredients are just combined. Mistake number four, baking at the wrong temperature. Your oven says 180 degrees Celsius, but is it really 180 degrees Celsius? Most ovens lie. An oven that is too hot will burn the outside while the inside stays raw. Mistake number five, not preparing ingredients. Baking needs timing. Mistake number six, not letting your cake cool. I get it. You are eager to taste your masterpiece. But if you frost a hot cake, your frosting will melt and slide off, causing disaster. How do you fix that? Let your cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer to a rack to cool completely before decorating. Baking isn't about being perfect. It's about learning, practicing, and having fun. Now that you know these common mistakes and how to avoid them, you're already ahead of most beginners. Don't worry if your first cake isn't flawless. Just keep baking. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This is Cakes by Lionic, where we bake with love, passion, and a sprinkle of magic. I will see you in the next video.